Hello friend, if you are learning embroidery, especially Wilcom software, this video is for you. When I started, I made many mistakes. I wasted time, I wasted thread, and sometimes I felt very confused. Today I want to share my mistakes so you don't repeat them. My first mistake was I tried to learn everything in one day. Digitizing, lettering, editing, effects all together. I felt stressed. I felt slow. Later, I understood embroidery is not fast learning, it is a step by step learning. Another mistake I made was I did not check stitch length and density properly. After stitching, the design looked too tight or too loose. Then I learned one thing, small settings make a big difference in embroidery. One more mistake, I used the same design for all fabrics. Cotton, silk, stretch fabric, same settings. Result, not good stitching. After practice, I understood fabric matters a lot. This is very important. I compared my work with the experienced designers. I felt low. I felt slow. But the truth is, everyone starts as a beginner. Learning slowly is not a failure. It is a part of the journey. If you are a beginner, don't worry. Making mistake is normal. Learn slowly, practice daily, trust the process. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. We will learn embroidery together. Thank you for watching.